everyone, I'm Terry and welcome to my channel. In today's video, before I get started, I want to announce the winners of the pen giveaway. Unfortunately, I didn't have 8 people comment on my channel, so what I decided to do was for the few people that did comment and that are US residents, I will be sending not just one, but 2 pens each, and they will be getting those in the mail shortly. Just email me your contact information and I will get these out to you soon. In today's video, I did a similar project in one of my prior videos, and I'm going to do another pair. I wanted something more on the neutral beige side, so I got these on Shein, and I love this color because it's kind of like a neutral tan beige color. And what I did was I ordered from AliExpress a couple of these pins. I love the fur and the little pearl on the bottom, and I thought those would look super cute on these shoes. So I'm going to add that, but I also wanted to do a ribbon because I like the ribbons on them. So I'm going to add this. I got this on AliExpress too. I don't know if you can see this. It's kind of a beige, neutral, tan ribbon. So I'm gonna use that, and then I'm gonna embellish these shoes with that and kind of create kind of the same look. But I love those shoes, they're super comfortable, and so I'm really excited to have this because I have the black pair and I wear them all the time. So that is all I'm gonna need, plus some hot glue, and this will be an easy project, but I'm really looking forward to seeing what they're gonna look like. All right, let's get started. All right guys, I kind of did a preliminary cut so you get an idea of what I'm going to do. So I cut the fabric pieces, the ribbon, in several pieces. So this is going to be the bow part. So I cut 2 the exact same length. So I'm going to hot glue this, and then I cut 2 pieces, and I kind of measured them out a little bit. So I'm going to hot glue these 2 pieces and put those on top of here, and then I'm going to do a second bow and put that on top of here. And then these may be too long, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie it all together so that it'll do a scrunchy bow, and then I'm going to cover this up on top, and then we're going to glue that on there. But I want to do it in steps. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put the link down below of this particular thread, but it's a heavier gauged thread. So I thought about using wire, but I think it might be too stiff, so I'm going to use this string instead when I tie it to create the bow. But it's going to be really simple, super simple. Just gonna tie it really tight so it gives me a nice pleat. All right, I have to admit that was really hard to get off. It was really glued on, and a lot of times it's really easy to take off, but for some reason this time it was not as easy. So now that I've got that back area all cleared off, I can just attach this on here. So I'm going to kind of level it up a little bit so you can see. I'm just gonna kind of bring it right to the bottom of this, so this dangles right there. How's that? I think those are super cute. You could wear this to work, you could wear it for a casual outing. It's super cute. All right, we're gonna do the other one. Now we wanna make sure it matches, so I'm gonna kind of keep an eye on what I did over here. On a side note, I haven't done this side yet. I decided to glue down the first bow to the shoe just so that it's more snug, but it still looks loose. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this other on here, and again, we will put a lot of glue on here. All right, but super cute. I think these would be really cute for work. or even just a casual lunch with the girls. Very cute. I really like these. Very neutral. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment below. Come on, leave me a comment below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Congratulations to those who won the pens. I'm about 2 weeks out into going into the California condo. So I will be posting a lot of videos on decorating and organizing as I unpack and load up that condo. So stay tuned for that. And until next time, bye-bye.